So I'm Dr. Smithish Patel. I'm a clinical director for Benfleet Primary Care Network over in South Essex. And yeah, we're here with the Essex Community Vaccination Team Vaccination Van today. Something that came about basically because, we felt like there were pockets of the community all over Essex, in which potentially the uptake of the vaccine was not great, for various different reasons. There are lots of different communities in whom uptake of the vaccine is poor because of being worried about the vaccine, not knowing enough about the vaccine. Perhaps their traditional access to healthcare is just not there. They're not registered with the GP. Various different reasons. So we kind of thought about, well, what could we do to take the vaccine to them? So we're lucky enough to get a partnership with Ford and say to them, I want something whereby I can put a clinic on wheels and pull up to the side of the road essentially and start vaccinating. So many long meetings later, we have now what we think is the only bespoke vaccination vehicle in the country, which safely allows us to store, transport and provide the vaccine. So we know that COVID is likely to be with us for a little while. So we're assuming that we will need to be doing booster vaccinations, and we may be doing COVID vaccinations like the flu for several years to come yet. But obviously that runs in peaks and troughs from a clinical or a healthcare perspective. We don't do vaccinations all year round. So we've been looking at different ways potentially we could use the van to do outreach in terms of things like respiratory care, postnatal care, again offering the kind of service to the same communities that don't necessarily approach GP or healthcare services normally. So it's been really great. Uptake's been fantastic. Once we got going and word has got around, we've been approached by several different community and faith leaders to get the vaccine onto their site, to get the vaccine van onto their site, so that we can start giving vaccinations. And it's been very successful.
So I'm Dr. Kashif Siddiqui. I'm a GP general practitioner in Benfleet, and we're here with the team today vaccinating our most vulnerable members of the community today. So the van was an initiative that's been designed a couple of months ago, and it's been designed in the main to try and improve uptake in the most hard to reach communities of the COVID vaccine. And so we are here. We came a couple of months ago, 2 months ago, and we're here today to give second vaccines to the patients as well as first vaccines today. It's been very well received by the several communities which we've been out to visit. The uptake has been quite positive, and the responses that we've had have been really good, so it's been very worthwhile.